Hello fellow bike riders! I'm Max, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pivot your bike using the side stand. Just so you know, I weigh 60 kilos and my V-STROM has 220 kilograms. Turning your bike on your side stand, it's all about balance, not strength. I'm not a certified trainer, and doing bike stunts could get you hurt, so use the information in this video at your own risk. So let's get to it. After I make sure I have a hard pavement surface that can hold my bike's weight in a single point, I steer right, grab the right handlebar with my left hand and the right passenger handle with my right hand. As I pull the bike towards me, the back wheel comes off the ground. I am supporting the front side of the bike with my left leg and lift the front wheel with my left hand, pulling the handlebar towards the back of the bike and shifting my body in the same direction. Once the bike is balanced, I can rotate it in the desired position. Let me show you the move from a different angle. Steer right, grab handles, pull the bike towards you, position leg support, pull the bike towards the back using your whole body, and spin. I am being very careful when I put the bike back down on the ground, because the inertia could pull the bike on the other side, causing it to fall on the ground or even drag me with it, and I can hurt myself. This is more likely to happen with sports bikes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ride safe.